What you doing?
Payroll.
So this one's real late just because we've been doing a lot of shooting and everything. I haven't found time to get it up until now, and I am currently working on some call sheets with Tommy, and you are working on payroll.
Yep.
With your whole department, which is you.
I am the department.
But this is the footage from our third weekend, which internally has been called
We'll fix it in post.
You'll just be going right through that, right into the target.
He's leaving that way. Gotcha.
and action.
Fucking Christ, Danny. What the fuck are you doing out here?
Cut, too long.
Yep. I thought it was gonna go and I was gonna try to bring it back.
Yeah. And action.
Fucking Christ, Danny.
Yeah, no notes.
Yeah, I think so.
Just a focus thing,
Didn't have a
sorry.
good look.
Quiet on set.
Track 36.
Alright. Okay, so are they about to start a run? Yeah. Is it gonna happen like right now?
If you wait till the rules are done, you probably have one take before they get guys.
Alright.
So, I'll tell you when they're done.
Holding for rules. I'm go
That was
karting.
have fun. I would go.
Now. And action. This is so wild what we're doing right now.
This is quite the rig.
Yeah, we've got a whole tent situation going here. This is called protecting the gear from the blood. Alright, so let's get the tubes out and the light in. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Action!
3, 2, 1, go.
Cut! It twisted that fucker. Thank you.
I think that's about all I can really get.
You're okay, man.
Yeah, I have questions down there.
So disgusting.
this.
But it's so cool.
That might. Tyra is wrapped for the day. Woo! Nicely done.
Zombie in his natural habitat. Yeah, I gotta get out of here.
I think this is clean. We see the stand.
Yeah.
I've got to pretend that I don't like getting a chainsaw in the butthole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know what's
Right.
going on.
So I'm just like, what the fuck's happening?
Yeah. Just what's happening? Yeah.
Okay, get me the fuck out. Get me out. Like,
Yeah.
Totally. Yeah.
Awesome.
Get me out now. Oh, fuck. Bro.
Yeah. Just
Sorry.
like that, guys. Just like that.
That wasn't
Awesome.
intended.
Hi. So I'm a zombie, and I got chainsawed into chesticles. And now I'm dying, and I get to throw up in someone's hair.
There's a dead man talking in here.
More spitty blood. Screamy. Come, grab, pull.
Yeah.
Unzip. Away you go. You die.
Sweet.
Can I hold it, Kyle?
Hold on.
The tube.
Do you want to? I don't mind holding it.
You gotta do this with it.
Oh,
Okay.
do you want to hold it for the shot?
I do.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Ready, Nick?
Oh, I'm always ready. Let's do this, baby.
It's gonna be really quick. So just give me a countdown.
My eyes and my mouth
Are you going
closed
on
here.
one or after one?
So 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yeah, get him. There we go. That works.
That's always fun.
Nice.
Oh God, I'm all tied up. I guess you can do whatever you want to me now. Oh no. Oh, I sure hope that nobody's behind this wall. I said, I am going to be spitting blood.
Okay, great.
I'm gonna aim for your eyes.
And clear Kyle. And action!
Fuck! I really taste the toothpaste in that blood.
I mean, this little, you know, really fast.
Wait, it's made with
Okay, great.
It is toothpaste.
That's good. So there's not.
I have fresh breath.
Let's get some mouth blood.
Oh, ooh, maced me like a turkey.
Now spit it out. Okay. Set and scream. Cut. Nice. Got it.
Yeah?
I taste a toothache.
Yeah, it tastes like toothpaste.
That was 16 and
This is 17.
Yeah, it was probably.
That was 16. This is 17. What will come next?
Is this a different piece or is that your same?
We're doing the
shot?
same piece.
you have died, sir.
I have died finally. It's about time.
One note for everyone involved. Kyle will be yelling now.
When Kyle yells now, God, yes.
Light is being covered. Okay, everybody settle.
Let me check the chainsaw.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, remember, wait till it gets full speed before you stick it through.
Okay.
And action! Everybody okay?
Everybody good? Everybody good? Yeah,
Great. Amazing!
Hell
Good?
yeah.
Yep. All right, cut. Good. Great. Love it.
Yeah, you read.
Like all the way to the back of that second room.
When I was done, I thrust it straight through, man. It fucking shot blood out this way too.
Oh really?
Wow.
It caught me all here.
That's all right, man. Finger away.
Holding. Set. And action! Cut! Awesome. I thought that was great. I think you did a really great job. Are you guys okay?
Yeah,
Did you
that
get-
was.
Did you get splinter?
Uh-oh.
Come back.
Oh, we got a
Chained up,
splinter. Oh.
bloodied up and stuff.
So for
Okay, I broke the skin.
Yeah.
Do you see it? It's like.
Nicely done, team.
I know I just had to break the skin. Thank you.
You're very
guys.
welcome.
You need.
I'm slowly going down.
And action! Cut! You guys, you look so good. That's like that terrorist, that play. That's the back of a VHS cover, which we just saw.
Thank you.
Okay, got
It
it.
is VHS.
What's this VHS?
Because I went back and got the dark one, and you were in the room. Calmer new one.
When the dummy was up, though, they had him still stick his hand through it. So
I'm calling Nick a dummy.
Get him, Jason. Get him. What's this about?
you can go really tight.
And action! That's great. Good. Got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap for this evening. You all crushed it.
never believe it's not so. It's magic. You know.
Okay. We finally reached the sing-along phase of production.
Yep. It was bound to happen.
Day 6.
I'm so glad I got to share this night with you.
Wow, that was the third weekend?
That was the third weekend.
Wow.
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 And now we have finished our 5th weekend, which was a 3-day weekend.
It was a marathon.
It was a marathon.
It felt like a marathon
Yeah.
to me. I can't speak for everybody.
And it's halfway through our scheduled days of production.
Yeah, technically 50% of our production days are now behind us. Ah!
Wow.
Ugh.
Yeah.
That's like exciting and also a little alarming.
Let's keep going.
Simultaneously.
Let's keep going.
Let's roll.
Still working on a location that we are trying to lock down, and that'll adjust the October schedule. Call sheets. I got a shot list for this weekend, and on we go.
Onward.
All right. See you real soon. Or maybe not, depending.
See you when we see you.
Jason gave me this video like a week ago. So, Jason's great. Go check out Jason's channel. Jason, thank you. Bye.
Bye.